नमस्कार, फिर पैसा बोलता है में आपका स्वागत है। वेलकम बैक टू पैसा बोलता है। आज मैं एक दक्षिण से एक पुराना का बैंक के बारे में बात करूंगा। 100 साल के ऊपर से है और इस बैंक प्राइवेट सेक्टर में है। इसको हम ओल्ड प्राइवेट सेक्टर बैंक कहते हैं, जैसा फेडरल बैंक, साउथ इंडियन बैंक है। ये सबसे मेरा पसंदीदा स्टॉक है और इसमें 7 या 8 टाइम्स का रिटर्न मिल चुका है और ये डेफिनेटली बेशक एक दिन 10 बैगर होगा। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू हियर टू टॉक अबाउट अ सेंचुरी ओल्ड बैंक. It's still in private hands. It's a old private sector bank from South India. This bank is one of my favorite stocks. I got it very many years ago. I bought it very cheap and it gave me a lot of time to accumulate the stock at cheap prices. Everybody felt the stock would never go up and finally it has gone up. I have seen 3 CEOs in this bank and have made a decent sized profit on this. The returns are now 7 to 8 times for me. Still the stock is undervalued. I hope it will become a 10 bagger in a couple of years. But for me, this stock has characteristics both of a fixed deposit as well as that of a stock. The bank gives between 2 to 5 rupees dividend, and if it gives me 5 rupees dividend as it is these days, I make more than 10% return on my investment. And not only that, the stock has gone up 7 times. The bulk of my stocks were bought during the pandemic when the stock price was around 35 to 40 rupees. I would have bought it between 35 to 50. The last lot I bought at 70 rupees. Today the stock is trading at 230 rupees. Its peak was 250 rupees. This is a bank basically in Karnataka and the name of the bank is also Karnataka Bank. So the Karnataka Bank is now going through a new transformation. The old MD has resigned and from May a new MD and CEO has joined. His name is Srinivasan and he is actually was in the Geo Bank, Payments Bank. So he comes from an expertise of technical expertise in digital bank. Even the previous management of the MD has said the bank has good stickiness. What do I mean by stickiness? It has that the shareholders like me and the customers of the bank swear by the bank and the service. But there are some products which the bank is unable to offer. Therefore, the clients go for alternate banks. So the idea was that the previous MD said, we will push digital, we will go extremely digital and slowly then by digital transformation, give digital products and the bank will grow. And this is why I expect a bigger growth for the bank from this stock. The new man has only been in digital space, never been in a private space. So he is talking about installing a new cultural approach. We already have a sticky professional. So he is saying the branch level people only will do sales. They will push client relationship and sales. All operational processes will be centralized like in large branches, large private sector banks. Customer loyalty is extremely good, as I told you before, because of good service. So with enhanced technologies and computing capabilities, existing clients will come back to the bank for everything and you will attract the new clients. So they are calling this a comprehensive digital initiative to acquire customers digitally. I don't have to go to the bank to hire a client. Not many small financial banks, small banks are doing this. Only large banks are doing this. For this, he is going to build a dedicated tech hub, 40,000 square feet in Bangalore. This is being set up for digital and analytical operations. They are saying they will collaborate with fintechs for co-lending opportunities. And this means they will accelerate to grow in banking, digital banking. The bank wants to revive its subsidiary called Karnataka Bank Services Limited for recruitment and back office processes. This is what all big companies do. Not everybody else can be in the main roles of the bank. Like HDFC has HDB services. So what they are trying to do is trying to increase the people by not by taking it directly but keeping them off rolls. Karnataka Bank recorded a profit of 370 crores in Q1. This has grown by 224% over the previous year. So 370 crores in Q1 FY24 up against 114.18 crores in the previous year. The net interest income has increased to 814 crores from 687 crores. Other income of the bank, which which is basically they are gaining money without investing capital. That is to 323 crores. And this is where the bulk of the money has come. It is like selling mutual funds, opening LCs, writing guarantees. It can be so many things. These are basically fee-based incomes and commission incomes. This is at 323.8 crores, up from 132 crores. So basically they have more than doubled this. This is why the profits have also increased. The bank provisions for bad debt is at 151.57 crores. It has declined from 362 crores. So the bank's book quality is improving. Gross NPA declined to 3.68. Net NPA also has declined to 1.43. So provisional coverage ratio has gone up to 83%. That means 83% of the bad loans are already provided for, which is very high. Capital adequacy ratio has strengthened to 17%. CASA, current account and the savings account represents 37.6, slightly lower. With digital, this is going to increase. The revenue mix is corporate and wholesale banking has given 37%, retail banking has given 41%, treasury is 18%, other operations is 8%. NPS, the retail NPA accounts 66% of the total NPA, followed by mid-corporate NPAs at 34%. There are 877 branches, almost 1,500 ATMs spread across 22 states and 2 union territories. But nearly 80% of the branches are in South India. 556 of them are in Karnataka alone. The current market price is actually not even 230, it's dropped to 225. The highest was 233, the lowest is 70.8. P/by ratio is 4.85. Earnings yield is above 9%. Price to book is 0.87. You can go ahead and buy the stock at this price. People like me find it very difficult, but you can definitely go ahead and buy this. You can go ahead and consider a stock at this price. With the new digital initiative, if it succeeds, it will give you more than 2x returns over next 5 years if you hold on to it. Thank you for watching Paisa Bolta Hai. If you like this video, hit the like button, write your comments, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification. If you have done all of the above, send this video to your friends and relatives and have them take a look. नमस्कार, फिर पैसा बोलता है में आपका स्वागत है। 26 अगस्त को हम बैंगलोर व्हाइटफील्ड में एक इवेंट करने वाले हैं। जो उधर मुझे मिलना चाह रहे हैं वो उधर आ सकते हैं। इन सब मीटिंग का डिटेल्स पता लगाने के लिए नीचे एक व्हाट्सएप नंबर और ईमेल आईडी है, उसमें आप संपर्क करें। मेरा टीम आपको सारे डिटेल्स दे देगी। नमस्कार, जय हिंद, धन्यवाद।